Hey there, me again, here to talk more road rules of e-commerce security. Hopefully by now you're starting to really think about the importance of security and not only having trusted partners, but having a clear brand message about your commitment to security. Now buckle up as we take a ride down the road ahead and view some of the risks and dangers that you can avoid by safeguarding your business and your passengers. As an entrepreneur, you're used to having to take some risks. But the risk of compromising your brand's reputation or customer trust is one you don't need to take and should avoid at all costs. While your site is built on one of the world's leading e-commerce platforms with many security features built in, new risks can be introduced without even realizing it, opening doors for attackers to steal your precious data. Here are just a few of the kinds of things that can open security gaps without even trying. Adding new partner services like analytics or advertising or other integrated business intelligence tools. Advanced customization like customer slideshow features, partner product content, or even something as innocent as a third-party chatbot service. In fact, some of the most costly attacks over the last 2 years were caused by a compromised partner service. That's why security is not just your e-commerce provider's responsibility. It's a shared responsibility and has to be advanced alongside all your growing business needs and success. While it's always important to keep your eyes on the road ahead, with SafeShop, you can relax and leave the driving to us. Otto's SafeShop automated security continuously monitors and protects you on every page, every purchase, all day, every day. In the next video, we'll take a look at how the Otto SafeShop app works. We'll tell you a little about our patented technology and show you how to review your dashboard insights. To continue learning about your site security, click here.
Safe to dance. Oh, it's safe to dance. Yes, safe to dance.